Students get personal attention all 4 years from their faculty, who are all practicing professional writers. They also have opportunities outside the classroom which are fairly unique. They get to work on Lake Effect, our student international literary journal, and they also get to interact with 6 writers per year who come visit campus as part of the Smith Creative Writers Reading Series. Our students certainly develop as writers and editors. We also think that they develop important analytical skills. Stories and poems can be seen as problems, as arguments, and our students learn how to work independently to seek and execute solutions and to anticipate and analyze lines of reasoning. We educate our students about the nuts and bolts of graduate school's admissions, tools they can use to find internships and full-time employment, and of course we help them through the process of publishing their own work. Our alumni work as college professors, high school teachers, online content editors, technical writers, journalists, magazine editors. Wherever word people are needed, you can find Behrend creative writing majors.